Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about the Dollar General 3-day sale, which begins tomorrow, Thursday, November the 10th. But before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so like I said, we have another 3-day sale this week at Dollar General, and guys, it's just that time of year. We're going to start seeing all kinds of 3-day sales popping up and 1-day sales, so just get ready. We should have some really good deals. Now, this particular 3-day sale will begin tomorrow on Thursday, November the 10th, and run through Saturday, November the 12th. So if there's anything that stands out to you, don't forget that you can include these items with your 5 off $25 scenarios and get an even better deal. Alright guys, so first up we have the outdoor holiday decor items. These are going to be 50% off during this 3-day sale, which I think is a great deal. Alright, next up we have the ProScan Light Show speaker. These are normally $15, but they're going to be 20% off, so that's going to leave you paying $12. Alright, next up we have the True Wireless accessories. These are normally $10 to $12.50, but they're going to be 25% off, so that is going to leave you paying $7.50 up to $9.37. Then we also have the Extreme Tech LED gaming speakers. These are normally $8, but they're going to be 25% off, so that's going to leave you paying just $6. And then down there at the bottom, we have Lego sets that are going to be 20% off. We also have assorted dolls. Those are going to be buy one, get one 50% off. And then we also have activity kits and games that are going to be buy one, get one 50% off. Alright, so moving right along, let's go ahead and take a look at our food deals. So first up, we have the Clover Valley canned pumpkin. These are normally $1.50 each, but they're going to be on sale 2 for $2, making those $1 each. Then next up here is a stock up deal. We have the Clover Valley granulated sugar 4-pound bags. These are $2.65 each, and we should be receiving a new digital coupon for buy one, get one free. And then we also have the Clover Valley 32-ounce broths. These are normally $1.85 each, but they're going to be on sale 2 for $3. Next up, we have the Dr. Pepper, Canada Dry, A&W, and 7-Up 2 liters. Those are going to be on sale 2 for $2.50. And then we also have the Dr. Pepper, 7-Up, Canada Dry, RC Cola, Sunkist, or A&W 6-packs. Those are going to be on sale 3 for $10. And we still have a 1-off 3 digital coupon on the Dr. Pepper products. So if you want to pick up 3 of those at $10, use that digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $9 for 3 6-packs. Alright, next up we have a really good sale on the Post Honey O's and Honeycomb cereals. These are normally $3.25 each, but they're going to be on sale 2 for $4, making those just $2 each. Next up, we have the Clover Valley granola bars, chewy chocolate chip 10 count, or the sweet and salty 6 count. Those are going to be on sale 2 for $4. Then we also have the 4 packs of Red Bull. Those are going to be on sale for $5.50. And then we have the Dasani bottled water 24 packs. Those are going to be on sale for $5. Alright, moving right along, we have the Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergent, 35 to 50 loads. These are normally $6.35, but they're going to be on sale for $5.35, and we should have a 1-off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $4.35. Then we also have the Angel Soft Bath Tissue 8 Mega Rolls or the 6 Ultra Mega Rolls. These range in price from $5.95 all the way up to $6.25, and we should be receiving a new digital coupon for $1.75 off of 1. So you guys be on the lookout for that and make sure that you clip it to your accounts. And then last but not least, we have a couple of instant savings deals. So we have an instant savings of $2 on the Sterilite Latching Holiday Tote. These are normally $12.50. Now, just a quick tip on purchasing storage totes, because I do not want you guys out there wasting your money, and I definitely don't want you out there paying full price. So there are 2 really good times throughout the year to purchase your storage items. The first being at the end of August into September, when we have all of the back-to-school items going on clearance. Now, if you guys have been with me for a few months and you remember, I believe it was back in September, we had a Dollar General clearance event, and I really stocked up on some storage bins, and I got them anywhere from 50 all the way up to 70% off. Another really good time to purchase your storage products is after the holidays, because if you guys will notice, all of the stores are coming out with red and green totes and all kinds of different little storage bins to store your holiday ornaments and your Christmas trees and all of that good stuff. So after the holidays, all this stuff is going to be clearancing out. Last year, I remember I picked up some green heavy-duty Sterilite totes for just $5 each. So go ahead and save your money, because we are only a couple of months away from all of these storage items going on clearance, and you're probably going to get them at 50% off or better. All right, now let's get back to this 3-day sale. We have one more item to talk about, and I don't think that this is a really great deal either, but you will have an instant savings of $1 on select DG Home mops and brooms. So these are normally priced at $6.50 all the way up to $10. All right, guys, so there you have it for our 3-day sale. Now, keep in mind, this will begin tomorrow on Thursday, November the 10th, and run through Saturday, November the 12th. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I think we have some pretty good deals to look forward to. I'm definitely going to go and check out the outdoor holiday decor at 50% off, and I am for sure going to be including the Clover Valley Sugar, the Dr. Pepper deal, and probably the Angel Soft bath tissue as well into some 5 off $25 scenarios. But you guys let me know, what is your favorite deal that you're looking forward to with this 3-day sale down in the comment section below. And if you guys are looking for even more deals to do this week at Dollar General, don't forget to go back and check out my previous videos on Dollar General. We are up to 5 DG videos for this week, and it is only Wednesday. Can y'all believe that? So just a quick rundown on the videos that I've uploaded so far. We have the Good Deals and Glitch List video with 23 glitches. Plus, we have that run deal with the $1 cereal. That deal's going all week long. Then I also uploaded a video going over the new clearance markdowns and penny list. We have tons of 90% off clearance and some really good penny items to be on the lookout for this week. Plus, going back all the way to Sunday, we have the new coupons and glitches video. So if you missed out on any of these videos, make sure that you go back and check them out. I'm going to have them all linked in the pinned comment down below for you. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.